Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are making our own salve. So essentially what this is an oil of your choice in beeswax. So I will link a video right above here just showing you how to make your own infused oil. What I'm using is a calendula infused oil, and it's a 1:5 ratio, so 1 part beeswax to 5 parts oil. And it's great for dry skin. You can also use it as lip balm, and I will show you how to make this right now. So what I'm using is a measuring cup, and I'm just going to tare the scale to 0, and I will be adding 20 mils of beeswax, or 35 ounces, just depending on what measurement you'd like to use. And we will be using an infused oil. So what I'm using here is a calendula infused oil, and I'm just measuring out 100 mils. And we will be adding the beeswax to the oil. And so for the oil, you can use any type of oil that you want, coconut oil, olive oil. So we will add this now to a double boiler. That's just a pot and water. And we will put this on the stove top and turn the burner on to medium heat, letting it melt completely. And once it's melted completely, we'll just take it out of the pot. And at this point, you could add your own essential oil in there. And right now you can just put it into your own containers that are clean and let it harden on the counter, or if you want to speed up the process, you can put it in your fridge. So I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. It's a super simple way to make a nice soft salve. So it's great for dry skin and all that goodness. So I hope you guys have a good day, and if you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Bye.